Hi guys! Welcome to our channel.
My channel.
And guys, may binigay si Liana sa akin last week. Dapat ibigay niya yun nung pagdating ko dito sa Turkey. Dapat
Pero
yung New Year,
nalimutan
nakalimutan niya. So,
Gantnar. Okay, here you go.
ngayon, tingnan natin ano to.
Hi.
Sabi niya, surprise for mama. Diba, nag-ano talaga siya. You told her to make this one, Daddy, when I'm coming. This one, she should give me, some...
Pero mahimo na ako. Ang nails.
Common, what's this? Name, legendary, and ultra legendary.
It's like
Rainbow blind bag. Rainbow blind bag.
yeah.
Yan siya kausik og papel, guys. And a blind bag. Surprise.
I like blind bags.
Common, cool, extra epic. I don't understand this. Open. See, ganon siya kaano, guys. Tingnan mo yung trabaho niya. Oh, paano tayo open? Anong naman kaya nito? Sana pera. Open your mini blind bag to get your
I can't breathe.
sticker.
I can't breathe. I cannot breathe.
Open the mini vlog bag to get your extra epic surprise.
Guys, alam niyo,
What's this? Open the purple bag. Kani? Purple ni? Ay, purple din. Na-miss ko guys kasi nung baby pa siya, kahit kunti-kunti susulat siya. Ngayon lang ulit sulat. Marker or crayon. Fragile. Ano na sa logo to? Fragile. Ganyan pa yan.
guys, alam niyo,
Ay po si katawa. Dre, kala din ako eh.
guys, alam niyo, super old na ko na to, parang I made this like a long time ago. Like,
Saan mo ni pag-open?
long time ago.
Ay, gure kag busisi ani. Ginoo ko gamay kaayo nga bag niya. Naa pa ni. Extra epic. Epic.
Abang anak ko. Pwede na ako sa ginawa.
Ano po ni? Muna yung guys. So.
Napa, para ka.
Surprise from Iliana. I am so happy. Hope you like it. Nung pagdating namin, happy daw siya pagdating namin. Crayola. Muna yung Crayola. Ha? Grabe yung nito. Kahit kunting may laman. How did you make this? Una kay time magawa may mga bata manghilabot. Cute.
Sa Pilipinas naman ako.
Sticker.
I like stickers so much. You're giving me that back.
Kato ba maling na sa Pilipinas, Jod?
Now give me my stickers.
Puro sticker.
Open this.
Ito.
Show them the design. It's so nice, guys. It's so pretty. I can't breathe. Help me. You got.
Ano sa mani?
Check it here. Ultra legendary nails.
Hi, Key. What's this?
Huh?
Ultra legendary. Ano sa mani?
You got ultra legendary. Ako, guys, I love making like
Open nails.
Nice things. It's like things for nails. You didn't open the fold. There's so much Guys, now you know how much I like to wear skater.
Legendary down. Sarang po niya.
It's something like, guys, look. You can stick this like this. See, guys, I'm very creative. I'm too creative.
This is what I got.
Oh yeah, what is that? And more stickers, because I have 2 stickers. I have too much stickers. And this because my mom is too much science girl. I think that's more. Did you open that? I should be opening it. It's my gift.
From Iliana to Mama.
Wait,
Here is the
there's
thing.
things. There's things that's already
Hope you
open.
like it.
Ah, wait, look, I have this. I have that.
Let's take picture.
Okay, next.
Because
No!
why that one? Why that one? Explain why Algerian.
Because you're in the Filipino.
Look guys how she did it.
Creative. No, here.
Full
Here,
again.
it's from here.
Ah.
What
is inside? Open it.
You should open it like this.
Open
Pull
it like this. Pull it
Again.
again.
Here. And if you pull
Pull again. Pull
one more time.
one more time. I miss you, Mama.
Back.
Welcome back. Surprise.
Look at the
Look
back.
at the back.
And there's no, there's this. There's this. It's supposed to be.
You are the best, Mama. You are you're the best, Mama. Read before surprise. Welcome, Ma. I miss you so much. Also, Adam and Eunice. Hoping you will come here. You will like it here. You will like it here. I'm so happy. We are together now with you, Adam and Eunice. I have surprise for you. Open the paper with something inside waiting for you. I miss you. See you in 4 days. I'm waiting. You will come to Istanbul. Me and Papa are waiting for you. Oh, that's sweet. Our family, Mama, Papa. Thank you, na. Ano nalimtan man yung mani? Kasi you have heard with this, Daddy?
No, ako tanong.
Oh, yeah. She write this 4 days before we will arrive here in Turkey. It's very nice. I'll keep it.
Where's the other thing?
It's very sweet.
There's more. This.
Sweet malagi ka na. I get presents. Because when I arrive, you got my
No,
presents
this one.
already, no?
I don't know.
Guess what's inside?
Don't guess.
Sticker.
Don't guess.
Open.
Yes, open. Wait, hold
So this is
open
the
it.
map of Istanbul.
It's not the map. Close your eyes. Picky. Open.
This is what I like.
Babalo.
I like this the best and this letter. So
Okay.
alam nyo guys,
This is my money, huh?
Letter before birthday, Mother's Day, everything. And suddenly she stopped. And now I received this one. Mashallah.
This is my money, huh? You have 200. I give you 230. I give you 240.
I have one.
I give you.
Mashallah.
You know it's mine, right?
Sweet, sweet naman.
And this also more stickers I took.
So, she wrote it when we are coming 4 days before kami darating dito. Dapat. So, din binigay niya sa akin last week lang. Nakalimutan niya. And then, ngayon ko lang din siya naalala na buksan. And sabi ko, ano natin, vlog. Oh, look at that. Ang sweet naman ng ating You miss me to Judy, ay? We miss you too, then. Mashallah. All done? So, guys, that's all.
Bye-bye.
Sa Philippines, nag-stop na siya nung nag-turn 8. So, akala ko lang na ngayon. Ngayon, nag-ano ulit siya, nagsulat. Wow. You told her to write this one? Or to do something? Really? How you write? Nga naman yung mga agaw sa mo.
I sira the door.
Really? Wow. You
Tapos
make an
pag
effort.
mo, si Milena, murag ino na kapagawason. Ayun lang ha, ako yung nag-side eye.
I'm so happy, my baby. Dagan, ang dami ko ng letters nga nung start siya marunong magsulat. Dami ko mga letters na nataguan dito. Wow. Sinulat niya to siguro January 26 kasi darating kami ng 31 dito. Ganyan.
Mo January.
December. Thank you. I'm so happy, baby. Thank you. That's all. Bye, guys. That's all na, and I'm so happy. And I got this.
Papa, you're giving me that 300 back.